Well, I finally got to find my, I finally found my books. I thought this was interesting. It says, the timing system is complex. Severe engine damage will occur if you make any mistake. Do not attempt this procedure unless you are highly experienced with this type of repair. If you are at all unsure of your ability, consult an expert. Double check all your work and be sure everything is correct before you attempt to start the engine. Well, I did my timing belt. It was okay, except now I have a blown head gasket. So I have this book here, which is helpful. Volkswagen Jetta Golf Service Manual. And this is the cylinder head. I'm at the point of removing the head, but unfortunately, I don't have the tool, which is a little bit of a bummer. That tool I had to make with a 5, it says right here what it is. Right here. Screw a 5 by 5 55 millimeter threaded stud or tool. Anyways, so now I'm at the point that I could remove my head. I have to walk because I can't do any editing. Here's a Passat. I did the Passat with when I was breaking out the window. Anyways, this is it. But that's not what I'm working on today. I got a little bit of progress. I hurt my hand today. My thumb. Knuckle smacking good time. That's justification for wearing the gloves that my wife got me to work on the car, but just was too lazy and too into the job. But anyways, so here is my head. This side is the intake side. I removed the intake manifold. And this side is the exhaust. There's the turbo here. Not much light. There was more light a minute ago. But I need a special tool to remove the head. Not sure what it's called, but none of the book or anything explained that I need a tool. The belt, I marked it. Gotta mark everything. Down here is my markings for that. You can't really see anything. My steampunk headlight, huh? Anyways. So you got to do a lot of research before you start jobs like this. You see this cylinder here? You can't really see in there really much. Anyways, that cylinder, I think it goes number 1, 2, 3. Number 3 cylinder is the one that's got a bad gasket part. But if you look inside, should have brought a flashlight with me. It would have probably been more interesting. But anyways, that's my like my hair. I was wearing a hat a minute ago. I took my hat off. Don't know why, but anyways, so I did take my hat off. Anyways, could you look? Oh wait, I have to flip the camera around again. Anyways, this is the Jetta. This is the Jetta. This is my neighborhood. Oh shoot. Anyways, that's the moon. Anyways, yeah, this is the funky clouds in the sky. It looked really cool out here a minute, like at least 15 minutes ago. It looked really nice. That's why I wanted to film or get some video. But anyways, this is the head gasket. I mean, seriously, it's just a bunch of removal of everything. That's it. But I didn't want to remove the engine mount and all that stuff, but I probably end up going to, because this belt is so hard to put back on. So hard to put back on. Yeah, it's a pain. But I haven't got the new head gasket in there yet, so. Well, hope you kind of enjoyed a little bit of that video and it was insightful. Just do your research thoroughly before you attempt the job. And if not, just don't do it yourself and get a new car. I wish I could get a new car, but I can't. But anyways, enough about me. Gotta be positive. But I got a bunch of, I think I heard a squirrel in the tree. Or a bird or something, but anyways. That is, oh, here's this. Since I pulled it off, I did use some OxyClean and it did get all the grease off of it. This is the head valve cover, the valve cover gasket. I mean, valve cover, and then this is the gasket. Anyways, I'm gonna clean this really and make it nice. Since it's off, maybe paint it.